Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth speaker setting guys. Means guys Bluetooth setting guys today I will show guys in this video guys how can you pair and unpair guys your Bluetooth speaker. Well, it doesn't matter guys which Bluetooth speaker guys you have guys. I have guys the JBL speaker, and friends I want to pair with my Samsung phone device. So guys, how can I pair my Bluetooth speaker? So guys, in this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys, we will have to on our phone setting. So guys, we will on our phone setting to pair Bluetooth speaker. Then guys, you can see your connection setting, tap here, guys click on Bluetooth setting, and guys on your Bluetooth, and guys we will on our here Bluetooth speaker, and guys press on guys your Bluetooth option first of all. Then guys, you can see guys this both button guys, volume button, plus and minus, and guys pick up call button guys, you can pick up call from here. So I will on it, then guys with the refresh. 1 minute friends, again off and on. So we will have to wait here guys. Refresh. So friend, don't worry guys, now you can see guys, you can off and on guys again your Bluetooth. So as I did it, so as now you can see guys, we have the JBL speaker name Bluetooth. I will tap here to pair. Then guys, you can see Bluetooth pairing request pair with JBL Go speaker. Yes guys, I want to pair. So guys, it will pair. Then guys, you can use it. So guys, I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.